Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has made some bold claims about the future of his company. In 2022, he said that he believes Tesla's stock price will reach $600 per share by 2025, and that the company will be worth $4.5 trillion by 2030. If Musk is correct, Tesla would be more valuable than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, which are currently the two most valuable companies in the world. So in this video, we are going to discuss how much will Tesla stock be worth in 10 years. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. There are a few reasons why Musk might be so optimistic about Tesla's future. The company has been growing rapidly in recent years. In 2021, Tesla delivered over 936,000 vehicles, up from just over 367,000 in 2019. This growth is likely to continue as Tesla is expanding its production capacity and developing new products. Tesla is expanding its production capacity rapidly. The company is building new factories in Germany and Texas, and it plans to open more factories in the future. This will allow Tesla to produce more vehicles and meet the growing demand for its products. Tesla is developing new products, such as the Cybertruck and the semi-truck. These products could help Tesla to increase its sales and profits in the future. The Cybertruck is a futuristic electric pickup truck that has been met with a lot of excitement. The semi-truck is an electric semi-truck that is designed to compete with traditional diesel-powered semi-trucks. There are a lot of reasons to be optimistic about Tesla's future. The company is growing rapidly, expanding its production capacity and developing new products. These factors are likely to help Tesla continue to grow and succeed in the years to come. There are also some risks to Tesla's growth. The company is facing increasing competition from other automakers, such as Volkswagen and General Motors. Additionally, Tesla is still losing money, although its losses have been shrinking in recent quarters. Finally, Tesla's stock price is already very high, so it may be difficult for the company to continue to grow its stock price at the same rate in the future. Musk's claim that Tesla will be worth $4.5 trillion by 2030 is ambitious, but it is not impossible. The company has a strong track record of growth, and it is expanding its production capacity and developing new products. However, Tesla is also facing increasing competition and is still losing money. It will be interesting to see if Musk's prediction comes true. It is difficult to predict the exact value of Tesla stock in 10 years, as it depends on various factors, such as market conditions, company performance, and technological advancements. A survey of 35 experts by TipRanks has revealed that the average price target for Tesla stock is $1,200 per share in 10 years. This would represent a growth of over 1,000% from the current price of around $100 per share. The experts believe that Tesla is well positioned to benefit from the growth of the electric vehicle market, and that the company's innovative technology and strong brand will continue to drive its success. They also believe that Tesla's expansion into new markets, such as China and Europe, will help to boost its growth. However, it is important to note that these are just estimates, and there is no guarantee that Tesla will achieve these targets. Analyst Daniel Ives of Wedbush Securities has a price target of $1,400 per share for Tesla stock in 10 years. He believes that the company is well positioned to benefit from the growth of the electric vehicle market. Ives bases his prediction on Tesla's strong brand recognition, its technological advancements, and its growing production capacity. He also believes that Tesla is well positioned to take advantage of the increasing demand for electric vehicles as governments around the world implement policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Analyst Gary Black of Cowen & Co. has a price target of $3,000 per share for Tesla stock in 10 years. He believes that the company is a disruptive force in the automotive industry and that its stock has the potential to reach stratospheric levels. He bases his prediction on Tesla's strong sales growth, its technological innovation, and its potential to expand into new markets. Black is not the only analyst who is bullish on Tesla. Other analysts have also set price targets for Tesla stock that are significantly higher than the current market price. If Tesla can continue to execute on its plans, it is possible that Black's prediction could come true. However, there are also risks that could prevent Tesla from reaching $3,000 per share in 10 years. These risks include competition from other automakers, changes in government regulations, and economic downturns. Ron Barron, a billionaire investor, believes that Tesla could be worth $4.5 trillion in the next 8 to 10 years, with a share price of $500 to $600 by 2025. He bases his prediction on Tesla's strong growth in recent years, as well as its potential to continue to grow in the future. Barron believes that Tesla is well-positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for electric vehicles, and that the company has a strong management team that is capable of executing on its plans. However, it is important to note that Barron's prediction is just that, a prediction. There are a number of factors that could impact Tesla's future performance, and it is possible that the company may not achieve the level of success that Barron is expecting. Wallet Investor and Gov Capital are two different financial websites that have made different predictions for Tesla's stock price in the next 5 years. Wallet Investor predicts that Tesla's stock price will reach $564.24 per share in 5 years, while Gov Capital predicts that it will reach $2,326.138 per share. There are a number of factors that could affect Tesla's stock price in the future, such as the company's financial performance, the overall economy, and the development of electric vehicles. It is important to note that these are just predictions, and there is no guarantee that Tesla's stock price will reach either of these levels in the next 5 years. According to the latest long-term forecast, Tesla's stock price will reach $350 by the end of 2024 and $450 by the end of 2025. It is expected to reach $500 within the year. This forecast is based on a number of factors, including the company's strong financial performance, its growing market share, and the increasing popularity of electric vehicles. However, it is important to note that all forecasts are subject to change and that there is no guarantee that Tesla's stock price will reach these levels. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has made some bold predictions about the company's future valuation. He has stated that Tesla could grow 5-fold or even 10-fold in value, which would imply a future valuation of as high as $9.24 trillion. This would make Tesla the most valuable company in the world by far. Musk has based his predictions on Tesla's growth in recent years, as well as the company's plans to expand into new markets such as solar energy and self-driving cars. However, some analysts are skeptical of Musk's predictions, arguing that Tesla is already overvalued and that its growth may slow in the future. Only time will tell whether Musk's predictions will come true. Cathie Wood, the founder of RK Invest, is a well-known investor who has made many successful predictions in the past. She is currently predicting that Tesla's stock price will increase by 1,110% by 2027, reaching a new 5-year price target of $2,000 per share. This would be a significant increase from Tesla's current stock price of around $800 per share. Wood is basing her prediction on Tesla's strong growth in recent years, as well as its potential to continue growing in the future. She believes that Tesla is well-positioned to benefit from the growth of the electric vehicle market. However, it is important to note that Wood's predictions are not always accurate. In the past, she has made some predictions that have not come to pass. It is also important to note that the stock market is volatile, and that there is always the potential for Tesla's stock price to go down as well as up. It is important to note that these are just predictions and estimates, and the actual value of Tesla stock in 10 years could be different. Investors should always perform their own due diligence on any company before buying shares and never invest money they cannot afford to lose. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.